viewers. This is your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. I want to use this opportunity to thank all of my subscribers, the views, the comments, the likes. Oh my god, you are doing a great job. You are helping the Tasty and Fresh family grow, and we are so grateful. Thank you. God bless you. And if you are new to my channel, welcome, and thank you for subscribing. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Today, can you guess what we are preparing? Yeah, today I am sharing with you how I prepare my palava sauce, also known as Kontomire stew. Yeah. Kontomire, also known as taro leaves, has high source of vitamin A and C, folate and calcium. So it's very good we eat kontomire or taro leaves frequently because it helps us and also boosts the immune system. Yes, so this is my simple way of preparing it. Very simple, so kindly follow the steps so that you can also try it at home. I hope you get what I mean. Yeah, kontomire, you can also use spinach leaves if you don't have kontomire at the moment. So join me, let's get started. So these are my basic ingredients. Yes, you can choose to use your own ingredients you want, not necessarily using what I have. You can choose to use yours, but these are what I am using for my palava sauce. So to begin with, I have my dried chili pepper, the powdered one. I have my fresh chopped tomatoes. I have my salmon or mackerel. Yeah, I will debone it later. I have my melon seeds or akatwa or agushi, and then these are my taro leaves, also known as kontomire. Like I said, you can use the spinach leaf. And then my protein, I have some beef here. I have some chopped onions. I have some salted fish momoni. I have some eggs. I have wele or cowhide. I have chopped into bite size. I have my mise en place, that's my blended ginger, garlic, and onions. I did that in the morning, so it's frozen. And then I have my mixed spice, and also have some salt to taste, and my Maggi tablets. And then I have some palm oil, zumi to be precise. Yeah. So join me, let's put everything together. So here I'm cooking my meats. It's been neatly washed, and then it's in a saucepan. So I add my mixed spice. Yeah, this is the mixed spice. I have some salt to taste, so I add that one to it, just a little, so that it doesn't become too salty. Then I also add my mise en place, that's my blended ginger and Coco. Yes. And then allow it to cook for like about 20 to 30 minutes so that the meat will be soft and tender. Then I go to my cowhide. Yeah, I boil it for a while, yeah, so that to become a bit soft later, so no adding of salt. And then I prep my kontomire or taro leaves. So you can use spinach like I said. So this, I'm cutting them. You can tear them apart, or you can cut like I am doing here, depending on how you want yours. So you can see I'm cutting it again because I don't want any long macaroni kontomire in my stew. So at this point I wash it with some salt first before, to cleanse any unwanted particles or germs or whatever. Yeah, they are leaves, sometimes some insects may try to settle on it. So I use salt to wash it properly, and then I boil it for just about 5 minutes. People who enjoy wouldn't get itchy throat. My meat is boiling beautifully here, and the aroma coming out is superb, and my kontomire is also doing very good. So checking if it's well cooked, so that if it's okay, then I incorporate my cow hide, so it also enjoys some infusion of the melon plus the salt and the spice. So this is my melon seeds. I'll just add a little, and then I add my fish for it to also boil for a while and enjoy some infusion of, yes. Then my kontomire is ready. So I'm starting with my sauce. So this is my preheated palm, and then I add my palm oil, and then my chopped onions. I am doing everything at a go. So this is my salted fish, and then I add my blended ginger and garlic, and I also add my chopped tomatoes. Yeah, I'm doing all together because I don't want it to overcook. I want to enjoy some crunchiness and the freshness of the vegetables. So stir and allow it, cover and allow it to cook, whilst I also add my powdered pepper. So I stir and I allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Yeah, my sauce is doing great. So at this point I add my agushi or akatwa or melon seeds. Yeah. So when you add it, you don't stir immediately. Yeah, I'm just patting it so that it can cook very well. Na embobo to se kusia. So I uncover it, and voila. So I just stir for a while and check if it's well cooked. If you don't stir, it's going to burn. So you stir it, but not too vigorous. And it's necessary you allow it to cook well to avoid runny tummy. Yeah, so at this point my agushi is well cooked, so I have added my meat. You can see I have chopped all my meat into bite size so that my consumers will enjoy. I don't want it too chunky or bulky in their mouth. Yeah. Into we back now the show with one say baby come on. Yeah, so stir and allow them to enjoy the infusion of the vegetables, the akatsuwa, and the melon plus. Trust me, the aroma coming out, oh my god, you need to be here. You and I add the salt. You can see I haven't added any salt to it yet because the broth from my meat has salt in it. My agushi also has salt in it, and then my momoni too has salt in it. So no adding of salt at this point. So whilst waiting for my sauce to be ready before adding the kontomire, I prep my yam. This is puna, papebi, and also my plantain. So some of my consumers will do yam, whilst I will do plantain. And trust me, plantain and huasonson with Palava sauce, oh my god, is the best dish ever. the ankasa, the papa. Ish. Our sauce is doing beautifully and amazingly. So I stir and it's doing great. Wow. Papa. Oh. So at this point, everything is well cooked. So the next thing is to add my taro leaves, that's the kontomire, gradually. Yeah. So and you see how colorful it is. It makes the whole dish so colorful. We thank God for creating colorful veggies that at the end of the day, when you put them together to prepare a dish, oh my god, looks so colorful, looks so yummy, and everybody around wants to taste. So you see, I stir the two to get a great mixture, but gradually, not with speed or vigorously. I want the egusi to engulf the kontomire. Kontomire day. Friends and family, I want you to come and join me so we enjoy this delicacy. Palava sauce or kontomire fry. It's doing great. Yeah, I tasted for salt and everything is perfect. So I didn't add any salt to it, and it tastes great. It tastes great. And the aroma coming out, you don't know, the battalions waiting for me to serve them. My cameraman and the rest of the family. So at this point, I add my deboned fish, the mackerel. Yeah, this is the last thing I'll be adding because I don't want it to tear apart. So if you add it from the beginning, it's going to tear apart and you wouldn't enjoy your fish. So you add it at the latter end and then allow it to boil for a while. And then I add some cracked or beaten eggs. Palava sauce with a difference. So after adding the eggs, you don't stir immediately. You just allow it to boil or cook for a while so that it also becomes chunky. Yeah, in the sauce. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This is nice. This is sweet. So tell me, how do you enjoy your own palava sauce? With rice or with yam or with plantains? So you can see our sauce is doing great. We are done. Yeah, I just allowed it to boil or cook for like about 30 minutes on a low heat and we are done. So here we are. Our palava sauce is ready. So I am serving my gurus. In fact, they just want me to end this filming so that they can enjoy their lunch. So I'm serving them, and like I said, they are doing with yam whilst I am doing with some plantain. So kindly try this at home. Very simple. Try it at home and send me a comment. The family, they are going to love it because it's healthy and it's nutritious, and the vitamins, oh my god. Yeah, this is a correct dish that we need to try it at home. So kindly try it and send me a comment. If you think you liked this video or it was great, leave a comment down, leave a like, share this video to your friends and family to also enjoy this recipe, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Tasty and fresh, we are touching lives with tasty meal and igniting your appetite. So catch you again